What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly. I still believe we are in this very healthy uptrend and we could still go to higher levels. We're going to go through the two harmonic patterns that I've been eyeing for the last few days, and we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the 2-hourly to find out the strongest levels of resistance and support. Early this morning, we had this big, massive wick going all the way up to the $41,500 approximately here. We talked about this range on the VPVR, how the price action goes really fast in between this area. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin here, biggest major levels, and stay super cautious because today we do have the FOMC meeting and the decision of interest rates. This is in about 8 hours from the current video that I'm doing. So stay very cautious while you're trading. Protect yourself, guys. Let's dive in straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to on Bitcoin crypto, also to live stream to connect with the community. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, you need to do your own research. And quick reminder, guys, if this video gets over 1,000 likes, you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Now, let's dive in here straight into the content, guys. I'm going to focus on this harmonic pattern, even though they are both valid, okay? These Gartley patterns. I was eyeing this one right over here, which is bullish. If we were to come all the way down to that $36.5 thousand, it might have been a bullish opportunity. And then we got this one right over here. If we do zoom in, all right, from the high that we created all the way down here to this low, to the high, to the low, it's a bearish Gartley pattern. Now, this can take us all the way up to around about that 43.5K levels. So far, so good. With timing, we still have another 2 days looking at Fibonacci time that we can still arrive to the target. Looking at Fibonacci time is getting from this low to the high. By the looks of things, we still do have a little bit of time. It's almost hitting to that 1.6 Fibonacci time extension from these impulse and corrective waves. We still have till the 17th of March that we could hit that $43,000. Now, I'm going to be eyeing that $43,000 range. If we do start consolidating above this lower high with a nice consolidation for potentially 24, 48 hours, it might be a shorting opportunity. At the end of the day, this bearish Gartley pattern, it's a bearish pattern, right? This is the moment where you could potentially find a short. But if we start seeing green candles and breaking up, of course, I do not want to take that short position. I want to see a reaction at those levels. So this is something that I just wanted to update you with this bearish Gartley. This is what I am eyeing for the next, coming hours potentially between today and tomorrow, that we can reach those levels looking at Fibonacci time. I'm just taking a look here quickly with you guys on the 2-hourly. I want to focus straight to the point what we can see on the chart. Remember, if I just zoom out here on the 4-hourly, what I was talking about the last few days, last few live streams, also the price action in between 39.5 and 41.5 can be very volatile. This morning we had a huge wick coming all the way here to the one of the biggest areas of point of control, as you can see, which is at the 41.5. Big point of control right over here, just at the $39,000 range. This is why we were consolidating at this area. I was getting pretty bullish with this massive consolidation. This was very much looked like it was going to have this impulsive move. I was expecting this. This is why I am in a long position from that low $38,000 range. If I just show you here on Bybit, okay, I'm in this long position all the way down here. You guys know this. This was a swing trade position that I was planning to add up, and this is why I am long from these low levels. I am eyeing that $43,000 range and potentially $47,000 in maybe about 4 or 5 days. This is another Gartley pattern that we were eyeing a long time ago. We were just focusing on short-term analysis, but we got a much larger Gartley pattern here from this high, from this big bounce that we've had all the way down here till this peak, till this other peak. This is a perfect Gartley pattern that could take us all the way up to $47,000, $48,000, and we're still all right with time, Fibonacci time. This could still be we could go, we've got till about the 20th of March looking at Fibonacci time. I will do a video on Fibonacci time. I'll explain it on a live stream for sure for you guys. Remember, for all of those experienced traders because the platforms that I use is Bybit and PrimeXBT. Bybit for swing trading, you get up to $4,100 worth of bonus and a 30% fee discount by using my link in the description. And on PrimeXBT, I use it for day trading. Absolutely incredible platform with over 50 assets to trade with, up to $7,000 worth of bonus by using promo code Bitcoinsensus50. You get 7% added to your deposit automatically by using my link and Bitcoinsensus50 as promo code. Both of the full tutorial videos are also down below in the description. So what I am eyeing here, it is true that we do have a big resistance at that 41.5k levels because of the VPVR, because of this high, because of this consolidation as support, also this one right over here. So it's not going to be easy to break through, but we have attempted to hit it multiple times. We got this big massive wick from this morning and we are already going back up. So this is telling me that we are attempting to break it. It is very likely we are going to get above this $42,000 range, because the more you hit a resistance point, the more likely it is you're going to get through it, right? So that is what I am eyeing, guys. I will be staying very cautious as soon as we see volatility above this $42,000. $43,000 is the bearish Gartley target, okay? And here we might get a lot of volatility and a big rejection. We do see large consolidations here as support as soon as we were above this level, support, and we also got a lot of resistance right over here from the price action that we did have in January. So this is a level that we need to eye. We're not out of the woods if we start hitting this level in the next coming hours, okay? So I'm going to be paying close attention. I will protect my position. I'm taking profits at this range if we do reach it. So yeah, that is going to be my game plan, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a live stream at the US opening, guys. Make sure to join. We'll be going through, I'll be reading a lot of comments, going through some different cryptos, also doing analysis with you guys. You can ask me and we'll dive in straight into the charts. So make sure to subscribe and join the live stream. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis here. Thank you, guys, and I will see you later.